Welcome to AIIMS Gorakhpur, a state-of-the-art healthcare facility completed in 2022 and inaugurated by Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi in 2023. Unistone proudly contributed to the project's aesthetics with innovative GRC Jali on the exterior facades. Larsen & Toubro Limited developed this project on 112 acres. The standout feature is Unistone's GRC Jali installed over approximately 6,500 square meter. These 760 by 760 mm Jali panels, 35 mm thick, showcase cutting-edge design. Unistone's team meticulously selected the perfect pattern for the Jali, ensuring each element fit together seamlessly. This creates a unified, visually stunning appearance. The Jali appears as one cohesive piece, enhancing the building's aesthetics. Unlike conventional designs with visible borders, this Jali design eliminates them altogether. The absence of borders makes the Jali appear even more impressive, like a masterpiece sculpted from a single piece of material. Unistone's approach to the GRC Jali at AIIMS Gorakhpur wasn't just about functionality, it was about pushing the boundaries of design. The success of the AIIMS Gorakhpur project lies not just in the innovative design, but also in the exceptional craftsmanship that brought it to life. The seamless GRC Jali at AIIMS Gorakhpur doesn't just enhance the building's visual appeal, it contributes to its functionality as well. The intricate Jali design allows for natural light and air to penetrate the building, creating a more comfortable and energy-efficient environment. This thoughtful design element showcases how aesthetics and functionality can work together to create a superior architectural experience. Unistone, elevating architecture with timeless design.